Good evening, everybody. It's nice to see everybody here. Music is something that I consider to be divine. It uplifts one's spirit and soothes one's soul. My family have also been great aficionados of music, especially Carnatic music. My parents introduced me to music when I was very young, and I've had formal education in Veena. I developed a great passion towards all kinds of music through my years. My father, Mr. D. Balasundram, also picked up interest in music at a young age as well. He taught himself music by reading about it and going to concerts. He is a walking encyclopedia of sorts when it comes to everything and especially music. And the Nalayadavi Prabandham, being a staunch Vaishnavite, his greatest passions are Perumal, Pasaram, Sevai towards Perumal and music. He is also an avid reader and a brilliant writer, and has written and edited various music on pasarams and rare compositions. His 75th birthday is in January 2021. I was thinking myself what I should get him as a gift. I instantly thought, why not make him a music album? This thought process was going in my head 2 years ago. I had met Sumesh Narayanan at a concert in Coimbatore, and I was very impressed with the way he spoke, his energy, his knowledge, and all kinds of music. So sometime in early 2018, I called him and I told him I wanted to make an album. This was before the thought of making my father a gift. I wanted to make an instrumental album at that point. Sumesh and I spoke about it on and off for a year. Then in September 2019, I told Sumesh, let's do it now. Let's get going. In October 2019, I sent him a set list of songs. They were very traditional songs composed on Rakti Ragas by ancient composers. I told Sumesh, these are very heavy songs. Let's do an album wherein a few of them will be presented in a typical Carnatic concert format and a few in a fusion way. I told him, but the integrity of the song should not be compromised. Sumesh got very excited about it, which made me very happy. Eventually, I told Sumesh, let's add voice also somewhere. I spoke to Ms. Anita Ratnam and shared the set list with her, and she put me on to one Mr. Madhusudanan Kalaiselvan. I told Madhu that let's sit and work with the set list and see if we can add one pasaram relevant to each song, which we did. The next iteration to it was that I suddenly got an idea, and I said, let us do Amalnadipiran, the entire pasarams, and the last 10 verses of Thithiru Nedantandagam. I also did this because my father was editing or compiling a book on Amalnadipiran. The beauty of Amalnadipiran is that it has never been set to music because it does not have an innate meter to the lyrics. Amalnadipiran is always chanted in all Perumal temples during the Uchikala Pujai. Thirunedantandagam's last few verses are sung before the Palliyarai. So I said, let's begin the album with the Amalnadipiran and end it with the Thirunedanthandagam. Sumesh must have gotten frustrated with me with so many iterations, but he was patient with me. So I told Sumesh, I'll give you the set list and framework, and I will give you full artistic freedom to whatever you want with it. I was there in Madras for the music season of 2019, and I heard Mr. Bharat Sundar's concert doing a fusion type kacheri in Nardagana Sabha. I said, I want this voice in my album. I thought to myself, it will be nice if he sang Amalnadipiran, but did not voice it out. Then I heard Ashwath Narayanan in January in Coimbatore. I also said, I want this voice in my album. So I told Sumesh, let's have these guys also in the album. Then Mr. Ravi Shankar came into the picture through Sumesh, who said we will use Ravi for the production and direction of the album, and that Ravi was brilliantly talented, which I know now is an understatement. Anyway, things went on, COVID came, and I was like, okay then. And Sumesh said, we will get all this remotely done and put it together, don't worry, which is what this how this album was done. And when he and Ravi brilliantly put it together. Each song came out and I lost myself in them. The beauty of it is that Bharat decided to tune Amalnadipiran and Ashwath the Tirunedun Tandagam. Their voices were brilliantly suited for what they picked. Bharat soulful and Ashwath vibrant. The recordings happened, then one evening I told Sumesh, let's start a music company together, Ravi, you and I. That is how Soundcreed was born. The beauty of the company was that everything fell beautifully together. It was amazing. It was like Providence, and Perumal was guiding us through it. So presenting our first production for the company, Soundcreed, please enjoy the album